Hey, so give me a reason why Messi is better than Ronaldo playing football. Give me a reason.
Because Messi is better than Ronaldo at playing football.
Ronaldo. Oh no. Oh my god, no. Oh no, bro, no. Wait, why my son is crying? Oh, I slapped him. Sorry, man. You what? No. Wow.